Hello, hello. Okay, so I had to remake the stream because it ended for some really weird reason. Let me just double check and see what is up here. Um, Let me just make sure it's running. Okay, looks good. Nice. Um, okay, I'm gonna send this link now. Updated the live stream link. Let's see. Da-da-da-da. Hidden use copy button. Okay. Da-da-da-da-da. And let's see. Okay, cool. So, now what we are going to want to do is let's try to actually add respawning. I'm going to have two versions of Minecraft at once. Hopefully this doesn't just completely make everything horrible. We are going to have this, and we're also going to have this at the same time. Um, And I'm curious. Oh, that's weird. Okay. Let's turn our music off as well. Actually, let's keep this on. Turn our music off. Actually, yeah, let's turn it off because we don't want to hear things twice. And I actually have no idea where I am, so let's try it again. NBC. And let's see if our upgrade command works. Upgrade. Awesome. Okay, maybe armor's not working. It appears it isn't. Yeah. And I think I know the issue with this is because we are not we're only syncing the slot that the player is holding. We're not syncing within their armor. So that needs to be fixed. But let's not really care about that right now. If we hit, we're getting knocked back. And we need to fix respawning. So if we go like this. Also, the health seems to be potentially messed up right now. Which is interesting. Let's see if they still die. Okay. On my side, they look like they're dead. On the other side, nothing is happening. Okay. Let's get out of all of this stuff. And we have our whole attack module. I think it's because we're using entity ID 0 somewhere. Varent 0. Entity ID. Okay, so we're broadcasting. We're broadcasting that it's being damaged. And then for metadata, I think we need to, I think we need to fix how this is happening. We need to go in sync position. We're going to look at metadata. We're going to look at metadata here. And let's see. So we're not going to exclude anymore. Let's see, somebody's messaging me. Okay. So I believe if we fix this, I believe this is going to fix the health because we were excluding the user before from seeing those health packets and they should not be excluded. Yep, it appears to me that that is fixing it, which is nice. Let's just add a really simple commit here, which is fix health calculation, fix health broadcast. Okay. Cool. So, now we need to fix respawning. So if we kill this player, let's actually ask Anthropic. If we go here, and we go to Minecraft, which packets sent server to client for respawning. Okay, yeah, send respawn packet, yada yada yada. Okay, respawn. Let's just see if we got this. So if we're gonna need to go back to this attack thing. So if health.normal is less than 0, we are going to send respawn packets. Let's remove this for now. Goals. Respawn, player respawn. Let's fill this. Let's see if we're using this anywhere. So we're already sending this wherever this is. Let's just copy this. This is for turning the player into a zombie, which I don't think we're even doing anymore. Yeah, we want adventure. Sure. And to do set player position because we do not want the server to think the player is moving too fast, right? Because I think if we send this to the player, then metadata.health, let's also make this 20, right? Yeah, I think if we send a respawn packet to the player, they will just automatically change their location. Let's test this out. And let me make sure my chat is actually, I don't think I'm looking at the right chat right now. If we go here, let me make sure I'm actually responding to any chats that I get. So, and I'm gonna actually put this whole window down on my computer. Cool. Cool. So let's join this. Let's see if this is gonna work. Joining. What's damage? Let's see if I respawn. Okay. Literally nothing happens. Our location is not changing. Here, I have to actually go. I will be back in 1 minute. All right, I'm back. So let's also update the player position. Okay, this looks like what we want to do. Um, let's execute this. What AI autocomplete is that? So this is Super Maven. I really like it. It has a really large context window. Okay. Then we can send this. Oops. Compose. Unicasting this. Ooh, our IntelliJ did not like that. Let's wait a few seconds. Yeah, it's very quick. It's nice. Okay, I'm gonna have to restart IntelliJ here, unfortunately. Okay, now, were we sending this other packet before? Okay, yeah, we were also sending this, or wait, were we? We might have not even been sending the... Okay, yeah, we weren't even sending the respawn packet. So what are you implementing at the moment? Right now, I am implementing a way that when players are killed, they're going to be respawned. Da, 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 da. So I just need to get... I will show you in a second here if you'll be able to see. We actually want net for extreme rough IO. Let's call this IO. IO, and then system ID. Let's just call this like, it's really jank. World. And then Rust format is having an issue. Okay. So let's see. Awesome. And then we can set this, and position is going to be mutable in this instance. Okay. And what's the issue here? Position is going to be vec3. It's already vec3. We don't need into. And let's make the damage, let's make it 10, because this is kind of slow killing people. And should respawn. And I mean, I don't know if that's how it's like supposed to look. But it is the look, right? Like if I run over here, like I think the player should ideally be properly killed first because you can see them teleporting back, but you know what? That's fine. So, let's say, ooh, and yeah, we're having all of these weird Rust format issues, these internal errors, unfortunately. And they're all over the place for some reason in this file particularly. And I like having the spaces here, but it just does not like me having them. So, okay, add respawning. Cool. So, okay, now what are we going to implement? Let's implement a kill counter. And I think, I'm trying to think. Uh, chunks to, I know we're sending a boss bar where we're showing the chunks to load. Let's see, boss bar. Are these both health? Milliseconds per tick. Okay. So it's milliseconds per tick and player count. I think we're also sending the number of chunks to send. Let's remove this whole chunks to send thing. I'm just going to comment this out, actually. Comment that out. Goodbye. Okay, somebody is messaging me. Hello. So we're commenting this out. Let's have a kill count now. And we can do this in the attack module. Pub struct kill count. Let's make this a U32, why not? And derive all this stuff. And then we're also going to want to say, let's try to do this like the example James gave me. Let's see if we can do this. And I think it's going to be like this. And then something like this. Hopefully it's going to work. Okay, so what we are going to want to do is so there's going to be the origin and target. So the origin kill count is going to increase by 1. You know, we're going to need, this is going to be really jank. So from pause, and then we're going to need to go like this. Not ideal, for sure. Gosh. Target.get, and then like this. We're gonna have nested gets here. Kill count. And then this needs to be in a tuple. There we go. This also needs to be in a tuple. And then we can remove this and this. And then there's a formatting issue, other. We're still getting a formatting issue. What is up? From pause. Yes, we need position. Maybe we want to rename from pause. I'm not really sure. Okay. So player died, increment kill count. Cool. In fact, I think what we could do here is we could do like deref. Actually, let's not do that. Let's not do that right now. And then we're going to want to display. We're going to want to display this, which is the kill counts. So we're gonna go kill counts, compose, chunks and queue. We are going to just care about kill counts. Kill counts, kill count. And okay, we need to add this. Compact. Let's see where this is actually defined. Okay, it's defined in the root. So we can reload this. What this does is this allows us to use stack allocated strings, which is really nice because heap allocating all the time is actually pretty expensive. We also need to add Hyperion text. So let's do that. Hyperion text. And this also allows us to not allocate in a lot of situations. You know what? Let's make this like max kills is going to be 10 or something. I don't know. Again, this is just temporary. And maybe let's do like const. Let kill count UUID because we want a constant one. Kill count UUID. Okay. And then am I using in here? Am I using valence? Yes, I am. Okay, cool. And then again, this is drink. Okay. Let's run this. Let's see if we get kill counts now or if there's going to be an issue. Okay. And this is not happy for whatever reason. I don't know what I did to make it all of a sudden. And this is not chunks to send. This would be let kills equals kill count dot kill count. Okay, and then we can join, and hopefully this is going to work. Let's see. 0 kills. Boot, 1 kill. Probably. Disappear. Chat messages can't be verified. Okay. 2 kills. 3 kills. 4 kills. 5 kills. 6 kills. 8 kills, and then it's probably gonna be 10 kills, and then yeah, okay, cool. Add kill counter. Okay, cool. What else do we want here? So we have the upgrade command. We can call it like this, and we can upgrade ourselves. Now we want to do this based on the number of kills we have. So, yeah, how do we want to do this? Um, da, 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 da. I'm just thinking, like, ideally we want an event. We want a kill event. This should be an event here. But I mean, let me just look at this upgrade, what I'm doing. Upgrade and handle upgrade. Really jank way. By the way, this is AI generated code. This is not my code. I would hopefully not make code so horrid as that. So this is gonna match, and also I know this is horrid pasting everything in here right now. Kill count, kill count. And then we're going to want to get the origin inventory. Mute player inventory. Inventory. Context dot. Okay. Let's ask cursor to do this. I just want to remove all of these. Oh, this is so ugly. Remove all context dot inventory and just use inventory. Again, I hate this code. I just want to keep on clarifying that, like, I think this is absolutely pretty much the worst code I've ever seen. But I also really don't care, and I will clean it up later. And then Rust is going to, it's just going to yell at me. Rust format is, unfortunately, because literally no reason. Okay. So, item kind, we can import this. Is this just going to work? This looks like it might compile. Okay. Go like this, go like this. Let's see. I hate this chat message can't be verified thing. Did we get upgraded? I don't think we did. Oh, we did. Okay. Yep. Okay, cool. And I'm just gonna make this FOV a little bit. That is a crazy FOV. Let's make this full. Let's go. Okay. So, oh, oh, did we just crash the server? What is up? What is up here? Friction is using 100% CPU. We're probably in an infinite loop somewhere if I had to guess. Um, but yeah, I don't know where that would be. That is unfortunate that I can't really figure out where that is. Um, maybe there's a way, but I just don't know. Let's see if we get this again. It was infection, so it wasn't the proxy. Um, let's see. And then we should get a sword. Okay. Let's also play a sound. Um, um, play a sound at from pause and particle effect that matches killing a player and upgrading. And I'm just gonna disable this auto compilation thing. Is level up? Is that must be the experience thing? Usually it seems to be decently good for these identities. Um, okay, cool. So particle, I think we're gonna go like this. Particle is particle direct. Ooh, how else am I doing particles? I definitely have particles somewhere else. Okay. Position. Okay. Ah, this internal error is really annoying me. Okay. Let's see. Is this going to work or not? Okay, we can log in there. We can log in here. That is actually really confusing and not great. That's really bad. Um, maybe we want to spawn this at, maybe the particle should be at the, where the player died. So that would be position. Let's call this target position. And then let's just add like 1 to this, maybe. 1, sure. Okay. That's actually... I'm not sure I like that particle effect. Particle effect. Okay, I guess. And it's not even using, I don't think that's even using this one. Which is interesting. Offset. It's just going to be a back. Kind of forgot what the offsets even do, honestly. I think they're like metadata for the particles, and they can be different based on the particle. Let's see. Oh, that's kind of cool. See if this guy runs around. Bah! And then for sound, use better sound. Let's see how that kind of goes with the vibe. It's gonna compile. No. What is the issue here? Do, do, do. That's a knockback sound. And is that coming from the right location? You have sound, play sound, and it's coming from pause. Origin pause, it shouldn't be coming from them. There, it should be coming from the target position, probably. Target position, okay. And maybe we want like multiple kills to upgrade or something. I'm not really sure how I want to do it. "31 kills. It does take a lot of kills to get up to another raid, it looks like. That's kind of funny because our armor bar is not even showing, so we need to fix that. It looks like you don't calculate your armor based on the... Why is... We're not doing upgrade anymore? Okay. So we need to fix armor bar. That's gonna be one thing that we have to. Oh, it's because we have everything enchanted now? Yeah. Okay. Armor bar. I think that is going to be. It might be entity. Actually, I don't know. Let's see. Which packet sent for setting the armor bar? It's either entity metadata or like entity status, I want to say. Or something like that. Yeah, so it's not in there, and I don't have entity metadata. Rest, okay. Or sorry, GPG. Armor? Living entity. Okay, it has like these parrot things. Additional hearts. Score, main hand, left shoulder. Yeah, so QVG. QVG 1.20.1. Let's see. Okay. So what is this clean armor? Award statistics. Okay, I don't think that matters. Set equipment. Bound to client. That is weird to me. So there's a set equipment thing, which is different than setting the inventory. Oh, now I am really confused. Because we're just setting the player's inventory. We're not doing set equipment. Okay. I think this is where I saw. I think this is maybe what we have to be setting. This update attributes thing. Um, this is packet 6A. So if we look in here, packets JSON 6A would be 106, 106. Entity attribute server to client packet. And I don't think we're using this anywhere. Oh, we do have this is intact. It looks like we might have been considering using it, but we didn't. So we have this. Let's go like this. And then key is going to be a string. So let's do this whole armor thing. Let's just set it to like cow borrowed generic armor. Cool. Oh, is this an ident? Into, okay. Value, let's just set to 20. And this would be sent to, again, I am kind of confused why, um, why I'm not at least getting like an error for this. I think it's okay. It's because this. Oh, so this is going to take a while to recompile. And entity ID is the target entity ID. Okay, cool. But we don't want it to be the target entity. We are going to want to do this for the player who's killing. Um, Gosh, this is really lagging. So unicast entity ID is going to be uh, origin entity ID. And let's see which one finishes first. I honestly don't know. Actually, I'm just gonna remove this one. Debug should finish a lot faster. And then it will not use the release version. Okay. Okay, let's see. So, am I gonna get armor? No. We get a nice, good error or something. Something happened. It's interesting. Code count. Okay. And I don't here. I think we're gonna also want to exit out of this and then we can re-enter. So it can fix that type for us. Not be red. Okay. Okay. Now, like the question is that an actual issue with us or with the VIA version? I don't know. Okay, awesome. We got the armor. We got everything. Okay. This is what we want to see. I mean, what we could do is we can have armor. And I honestly kind of forgot what type this should be. I'm gonna get out of this. We have armor, value 20. This looks like a float. So add trait. Okay, you're gonna add armor as well. And we're gonna derive all this stuff. So, we have the origin armor, origin armor, and then we are going to increase it by 1. Origin armor, or by, let's do it by 1. And this is F64. Sure, let's change this. Actually, F32 is fine. Okay. Let's try this now. Again, this code is going to be cleaned up a lot in the future. Let's join. Here we go. And what we should see is if we go like this, it is kind of weird how it's lagging initially. Yeah. Ooh. This like almost feels like an actual mini game now. This is actually kind of incredible. I mean, it's definitely not based on the actual armor level. Okay. Cool. And then I think we'll get reset to leather or something. Yep. It's gonna be enchanted now. Okay. And then I need to fix the armor here. We also need to reset all these stats when the player dies. And it probably won't be completely reset, like we'll maybe half the level or something. Okay. And then we can do give. And then all of a sudden somebody's attacking us. We can go like this. Defending. This could be used to barricade yourself in. Also, this is way too... This GUI scale is not good. Seriously. Okay. Oh, I don't have my mask. That's kind of weird. Okay. Let's commit our changes here. And go like this. Like this maybe. Fix. Or we're not fixing. What are we doing? We are adding upgrades on kills. Okay. Cool. All right. I think that's a decent amount of what I wanted to do today. So, um, yeah, I think I am going to probably continue the rest of this either later today or tomorrow. But yeah, thank you if you have tuned in. Again, the Discord is in the description below, so you can actually, I think it is. I am going to comment the Discord in the chat, and you can join the Discord if you're interested. Yeah, again, thank you for watching. I'm super excited to get 10,000 players in the future. See you tomorrow.